Here has two PCs, T30 screws. Use tools to remove it. Here's one. Here's another PC. We tilt the door panel down as a whole. Pull it up again. Loose this one. Then just unplug this side as well. Then unplug all the connecting plugs inside it. Remove here. First removed original tweeter cover. Pick it with a tool. Then take out tweeter and wiring harness. We're going to thread through this hole here. Thread the cable through here. After installation, we can see it here. There are card spaces here. 4 card spaces. We match the location directly. Just push it in, and it's okay. Okay, after we install the tweeter, how do we connect these cables? First take out the wiring. Now untie the cable. Then this blue and white plug here. Plug the blue back into this original socket number 12. Plug it back here. That cable comes out here. First white and red plugs are plugged in like this. Then this speaker cable. A 3-wire 5P socket. Where does this go? We have another module here. Take out this module. It's written on this one. Take it apart. Then plug this 5P head into this side. Just plug it in like this. Then this 4 cable side C. Plug here. Just plug it in. After plugging it in, we buckle the case back. Then find a place to fix this module. Okay, that's the most important part for us. How to connect the speaker cable. Find out the original tweeter cable. Here's one. Then this speaker cable that comes out of the module, 1 male and 1 female. Original tweeter cable. Plug to this black plug. This red plug. Find the cable of 4D tweeter. Here. We plug it together here. Okay, we will pack this extra plug. Just wrap it and leave it alone. Then wrap the cables well.